Alright, y'all, we're back here again. We're here at the creek. You can see. It's just me and my dad today. Once again, I'm gonna be throwing the yellow curly tail, and I believe my dad has a white curly tail on. I think it's about 4:30 right now. We got about an hour before the sun goes down, so we're gonna go ahead and give this a try again. See how many white bass we can get today. Alright. Alright, here we go. First cast. Oh, dang, I don't know if that was a fish or I got stuck. Oh, that's one. Got one. Got one already. Cool. Second cast, we got one. Let's go. That's the way to do it. Caught that one, a yellow curly tail. Right there, you can see him. Give him a measure. He might be short though. Yeah, he's a little short. He's 9 1/4. Let's go. All right. All I'm doing, nice constant reel back, letting the curly tail do the work pretty much. Yeah. You got him? There we go. Well, there goes one on the white again. So I'll go ahead and switch to a white. Try to get on the action. Oh, should I switch to a white? You know what? If I switch to an all white, we're gonna try out this new lure I just bought today. But this is the Yum orange and white curly tail, and then my dad is using the all white Yum curly tail or grub. Yeah, it is a orange with the white tail. Let's try that out today. See what we catch. Pops just caught one on the got him. There we go. That's what we need right there. Female. Oh wait, is that a crappie? What it? Oh my, dude, look at this crappie. Yeah. Dude. Jeez. Well, that's cool. Wasn't expecting to catch the crappie. But man, man, you gotta try new colors, I guess. Golly, that's a big crappie. Man. No, it ain't the species we was after, but shoot, I'll take crappie any day of the week. Yeah. Man, Man, oh man. Man, he just destroyed this thing though. Might need to get in the lure. Thank you. Alright, so we've been here. I got a keeper crappie and my dad caught 3, but only 1 keeper white bass. So, keep on fishing, see what we end up with today. 509. Pops just hooked up on another one. Oh man, he's fighting that thing. What is it? What do you think it is? It's running straight at you. Oh! Alright, just hooked up again. We're just about leaving. He threw one more cast. See what he gets. White bass. He switched to the orange and whitetail grub too. So, yeah, both of us are using the whitetail orange grub body.
Ran out of white grubs.
You need some? I got some in my pocket.
Oh, I don't know yet.
Well, yeah, I got them in my pocket, dude. Nah, dude. Boy, it looks like you didn't need it anyways. You done caught you another white bass. Alright, let's go. Come on, for real. We gotta go to the next spot. Alright, y'all, we're back here at the second. We're at the second spot. So far, no bites, no nothing. But see what happens. We got about another 15 minutes before the sun fully goes down, and we're gonna head out from here. But let's see if we can catch a couple more before we go. I think we got 4 white bass and 1 keeper crappie. So, which isn't bad for. But we'll see what happens. I changed to a fully whitetail curly tail. White curly tail, there we go. My dad's still using the orange and white curly tails. Yeah, hopefully somebody can hook up right now. We'll have something going for y'all. There we go, we got one. First one at the second spot. Hey, you wanna measure them on this? Dude, I haven't even caught a white bass today. Alright, cool, y'all. So we just got back to the house. We were out there for about an hour fishing. We ended up catching 6 white bass and a keeper crappie. You know, you can't catch them all the time every day. But yeah, be sure to, if y'all like the video, subscribe. Tell anybody y'all want about the video, and yeah, we'll come back to y'all next time with another video.